Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and today we are going to install Ubuntu Mate 2020 on the PC and alongside the Windows, and let's get started. So first thing, we need to download the Ubuntu Mate 2020. Follow me please. So we are going to open the browser, and after that go to the ubuntumate.org. After that go to the download section and choose 64 bits or 32 bits, it depends on your computer. If you want to know which system is going to run better on your PC, just click system requirement, and after that just read the details. You go back to the download section and we choose 64 bits. We have three options, which is our three versions: the 2018 version, the 2019 and the 2020 version. I recommended you install the 2020 version, which is the 2004 LTS, because it's the recommended for the stability. The support for this version go until 2023. When we click on the 2004, we have three options to download. We have the BitTorrent and the Magnet and the direct download. Choose anyone you like. After downloading the ISO file, we go to the disk path manager, create and format hard disk partitions. So as you see, this is the hard disk where I installed the Windows system, and I have a free space of 70 GB or 67. I will shrink the volume of this disk to around 170 GB, and I will free up to 50 GB to install the system. So just right click and choose shrink volume. After that, should wait a little bit. Okay, we are back now. I will just put 50,000 megabytes and I will just shrink it. Okay, now we are back after completing the shrinking. I will leave it like that, unlocated, and let's go to the website. Rufus.ie. Okay, Rufus 3.11. Yes, and it will automatically choose the USB stick. Here I have 16 GB USB stick, and I will just drag and drop the Ubuntu file, Ubuntu ISO, which is I already downloaded before. Ubuntu Mate, and let's just click start, and we will press yes. Okay, yes, okay. Now after completing the burning, we will be back soon. Okay, we are back now, and after finishing the burning, let's restart the PC. For HP PC laptops, and we should press F9 multiple times to change the boot device. For Asus and Toshiba and Acer, we just need to press F2. Okay, so after pressing F9 and the list is loaded up, as you see, now we choose just the USB hard drive, and let's click on try Ubuntu Mate without installing. Now we are ready to get started with the installation. So we just need to click install Ubuntu. Now after choosing the language, I'm choosing English. Let's press continue. Now I'm using the QWERTY version of the keyboard. Let's choose the normal installation. Here I will choose install Ubuntu Mate alongside Windows Boot Manager. So it will automatically use the unlocated partition that we created before. Here we choose the country, and after that we are going to change the name of the PC and the user. Here we are free to choose login automatically or require the password on login. And here is it. Now we are installing. After finishing the installation, we will be back. So now, after installing the Ubuntu Mate, first thing we should do is run the terminal and update and upgrade the system. So we should write sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. We should enter the password that we have entered in the installation partition part. Okay. Okay, so I already have done the update and the upgrade because I couldn't install OBS before that. And so this is the end of the video. If you like it, press like. If you have any questions, let them in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Thank you.